Welcome to Home Decor. Have you ever felt like your home or room just feels stuffy, cramped, and lifeless? Especially if you live in a small apartment, a rented room, or a house without a garden. It can feel pretty suffocating. So today, I want to show you a super simple way to bring life into your small space with a touch of biophilic design. No need for major renovations or a big garden, just a few small changes that can make your room feel fresher, more natural, and way more comfortable. Let's talk about it. Small rooms often have the same kinds of problems. Not enough natural light, poor air circulation, and a vibe that just feels flat or stuffy. And the thing is, we live in these spaces every single day, right? Just imagine if the room feels lifeless, with no energy or freshness. It's only natural that we start to feel drained too. That's exactly where biophilic design comes in. It's an affordable, easy, and most importantly, fun way to make a small space feel more alive, more comfortable, and a place you actually enjoy being in. The principle is actually super simple. Biophilic design is all about reconnecting us humans with nature. How? By bringing natural elements into our space, like live plants, natural light, fresh air circulation, earthy scents, and even textures from materials like wood, linen, or rattan. But here's the key: don't overdo it. Small spaces need thoughtful styling. But here's the key: don't overdo it. Small spaces need thoughtful styling. So, use vertical space for hanging plants or wall shelves. Make the most of whatever natural light you have, and pick decor that's not just pretty, but also functional and feels natural. Let's take a look at a few small spots around your home that you can easily turn into a living corner. For example, your reading nook. Just add a small potted plant, a linen cushion, and a wood-scented aromatherapy candle, and boom, instant cozy vibes. Your work desk? Bring it to life with a mini shelf for hanging plants and a rattan diffuser. It'll help you stay focused and feel fresh. Got a kitchen window? Don't let it go to waste. Turn it into a mini herb garden with mint, basil, or rosemary in small pots. Even your bathroom doesn't need to be fancy. A simple snake plant, some natural fiber towels, and an organic bar soap can make a huge difference. And don't forget those overlooked spots like hallways or staircases. Add a nature-themed artwork and some trailing plants on a hanging shelf. See? You don't need a big space, just a little creativity to make the most of the corners you already have. If you're still not sure where to start, don't worry, I've got you. Here are some of my favorite plants that are perfect for small spaces. First up, pothose or devil's ivy. This one's a winner. Super easy to care for, and you can hang it or let it trail along a wall. Then there's the snake plant, perfect for beginners because it's super tough and even helps purify the air. Want something cute and compact? Try a spider plant. It's pretty, small, and can survive even with low light. And if you're into flowering plants, peace lily is a beautiful option that adds a soft, calming touch. Just a tip, start with 1 or 2. Don't rush to get too many at once, or your room might end up feeling cluttered instead of fresh. Biophilic design is not just about visual appearance, but also about the feeling and atmosphere that we feel in a room. So, in addition to plant decorations, try to think about things like color, texture, and aroma. For example, you can change the color of the walls to natural nuances such as off-white, soft green, or earthy cream, making the room feel calmer. Then in terms of texture, try changing pillowcases, tablecloths, or curtains with materials such as linen, rough cotton, or burlap. The impression is immediately more natural and warm. And what is often forgotten? Aroma. Try using essential oils with the scent of pine, orange, or cinnamon. Use a ceramic or rattan diffuser so that it remains in harmony with the natural nuance of the room. Little things like this make a room not only beautiful, but also comfortable to live in. If you're curious and ready to give it a try, let's do the Living Corner Challenge. It's super easy. Just pick one small corner in your home or room and turn it into your own version of a biophilic space. No need to overthink it. You can use a small plant, a hanging pot, natural materials like linen fabric, or anything that makes you feel more relaxed and connected to nature. Once it's done, take a photo or a short video of your little transformation, tag me, or share it in the comments. I'd seriously love to see your creative version. Sometimes we think living in a small home means having tons of limitations. But actually, that small size can be a blessing. It helps us focus and be more intentional about creating a cozy, meaningful space. With the right approach, a small room can totally become your personal oasis, a place to recharge, relax, and feel more connected to nature. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who also live in small spaces. I'll see you in the next video.